for those who wish to enter the world of cryptocurrencies. And for those who wish to make extra income but is occupied with work. Look no further, RoyalQ is just what you need. With sufficient funds, you may begin your journey. Your funds are safely kept at the exchange. The robot never sleeps, runs fast and is emotionless. Leave it to RoyalQ to help you make profit. It will monitor the spot market in real time to ensure you never miss a trade. Joining RoyalQ requires no experience. RoyalQ is here to help you solve problems. Make money without lifting a finger. RoyalQ is a dream come true. Use RoyalQ to create your own money-making strategy. Build your community. And earn extra bonuses. Get your first cryptocurrency. Choose an exchange. Binance, Huobi, and Coinbase Pro are all available. Don't know which coin to buy? Synchronize with RoyalQ Circle. Or use the default settings and start your own strategy. RoyalQ users are able to earn a lot of profit without knowing. Keeping up with the market because of this app. You can earn high profits anytime and anywhere. Don't worry if you don't have a lot of quantitative experience. RoyalQ has a variety of strategies. Follow the experts' quantitative trading. The best quantitative tool for both beginners and professionals. Suitable for people who have no time to trade. Operating 24/7. Joining RoyalQ is your best choice.